Hello, second grade. It's really good to see you all. We are going to be working together in our My Book today, so I want you to go ahead and grab yours. While you're doing that, I want us to review our essential question for this unit. How can being a good citizen make a difference to others? So that's what we're thinking about. We're going to do what's called a shared reading. I'm on pages 12 and 13 in my Book. And when we do a shared reading, I'm going to be reading and you are going to be following along. We're going to be looking at this short read called We Are Super Citizens. This is a personal narrative. And if you think about a narrative, is a story about the writer's life. So this is a story about this writer and their life. My dog Bailey is the best. When we learned about good citizens in school, my teacher asked us to think of ways we could be a good citizen. I thought about Bailey. She's friendly and gentle. I just knew she could be a good therapy dog. First, I found a dog club near where I live. My mom and I took Bailey there. Bailey took a test to see how she behaved. She was calm and acted well with strangers. She listened to commands. So if we think about the topic of this story so far, what do you think the topic of this story might be so far? What do we know so far? Right, it's about a dog, Bailey, and an owner. And the owner is wanting Bailey to be a therapy dog. What I want you to do is take your pencil or take a crayon or whatever you have, and I want you to circle any words on this page that tell you that Bailey would be a good therapy dog. So you take a second to do that, and you can pause the video if you need to do that. So yes, Bailey is friendly, Bailey's gentle, she's calm, acted well with strangers, and listened to commands. So she has a lot of traits that would make her a very good therapy dog, I think. All right, let's come to page 13. We're going to read this together. After some training classes, we became a therapy dog team. Now my mom and I take Bailey to visit people. Bailey gives them comfort and love. I like raising a therapy dog. We are good citizens together. Bailey makes a difference in the lives of the people we visit. She helps make their lives better. Fast fact: therapy dogs are not the same as service dogs. Service dogs are trained to provide a certain kind of help for a person with special needs. So that was a little interesting. So our central idea here, what do the author and Bailey do as a therapy dog team? Right, they go visit people, they give them comfort and love. Very good. What evidence tells us that? Can you circle it in your My Book? What evidence tells us what Bailey and Bailey's owner do as a therapy team? Good. You should have circled this here. They go visit people and give them comfort and love. Very good. So what is the central idea of this text, do you think? What's the big idea here? Right. Therapy dogs and their owners, because they have to have an owner too, are super citizens because they help others and they make a difference in people's lives. And that's what making a difference can be. Bailey and her owner make a difference by visiting people and cheering them up and giving them comfort. Very good. We're going to stop there. Very nice. Your next assignment is on the next slide.